How to adjust volume in Audiate. First of all, open your Audiate project and locate the audio track you want to adjust. On the bottom right corner of the screen, you will see the volume slider associated with that track. Moving the slider up increases the volume, while sliding it down lowers the volume. Next, if you want more precise control, you can use the waveform editor. Select the audio clip to open the detailed view, then find the volume envelope line running through the waveform. You can click on this line and drag it up or down to adjust the volume at specific moments in your recording. This allows you to make gradual volume changes or emphasize certain parts. Additionally, Audiate offers the option to normalize audio, which automatically adjusts the overall volume to a consistent level. You can find this feature in the Edit menu, and it is useful for balancing different recordings so they sound even throughout. And that's it. Now you know how to adjust volume in Audiate. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.